Every country, place, or a region has a culture of its own, and every place upholds variety of delicacies as its own. Therefore, the dish that we wish to share today is the one filled with diversity. It is called Madgane in Konkani households. This is a sweet dish prepared with coconut milk and Chana Dal. Without any further ado, let us learn to prepare this sweet dish at our homes. And by the way, welcome to our channel Ooru, Oota, Upahara. If you are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon to stay connected with all our recipes. The first thing to prep while preparing Madgane is to soak half a tablespoon of rice grains and a small piece of turmeric. And the next step is to pressure cook half a cup or 200 grams of Chana Dal in a pressure cooker for about 3 whistles. After letting the Chana Dal to pressure cook, let us take about 1 cup of grated coconut in a mixer grinder. To this, let us add 5 pods of cardamom. And now, all we need to do is to add a little water and grind this finely. It is a good idea to add water little by little to have the best extract of coconut milk. We need to keep aside the first thick extract of coconut milk because this is going to be added at the end of preparing the Madgane. After the first extraction, it is time for second one. So let us take the residue back into the mixer grinder and add the pre-soaked rice and turmeric mixture. And now is the time to add the sweetness to our dish, and that is half a cup or 100 grams of jaggery. The reason behind grinding the jaggery along with the coconut is to remove the impurities, if any, while extraction. Let us add water and blend this till the jaggery melts, and then let us filter this into a heavy bottomed saucepan and have our second extraction of coconut milk. And by the way, the reason behind adding the rice is to help the Madgane thicken when we allow it to cook on the stove top. After extracting the coconut milk for the second time, let us place this on the stove top, and then it is time to add the cooked Chana Dal into this mixture. After adding the Chana Dal, we need to keep stirring the mixture so that it doesn't get burnt at the bottom. As this comes to a boil, the jaggery in the mixture caramelizes and the rice particles gets cooked as well. As we continue to boil, the color of the mixture starts to change, and then it is time to add the first extract of coconut milk. And now let us allow this to cook on a low flame. By the time it comes to a boil, let us heat 1.5 tablespoons of ghee in a tempering pan. And then let us add a handful of cashew nuts to this hot ghee. Once the added cashews turn golden in color, let us take this off the stove top and add it to the Madgane, which is on a low flame. This is it, my dear friends. After this comes to a one last final boil, we have our tasty and simple Madgane ready. If you like this recipe, do give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.